Is Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda's Sayyara a ripoff of Korean film A Moment to Remember? Here's the truth. Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda have made quite the splash with their Bollywood debut, Sayyara. The romantic drama, which hit theatres on 18th July, has had a dream start at the box office, raking in over 45 crore rupees within just 2 days of release. With audiences praising its emotional core and soulful music, the film has already found a place in many hearts. But even as Sayyara basks in success, a new controversy is stirring up social media. Several netizens are speculating whether the film draws heavily, or even directly, from the 2004 South Korean classic A Moment to Remember. In Sayyara, Aneet Padda's character Vani is diagnosed with early-onset Alzheimer's, a plotline that immediately reminded many cinephiles of A Moment to Remember, where the female protagonist Kim Soo-jin battles the same illness. Viewers have also pointed out similarities in a few narrative elements, like the presence of an ex-boyfriend and an emotional departure sequence. But does that make Sayyara a copy-paste job? Not quite. While the emotional backbone may feel familiar, Sayyara carves its own narrative path. The film leans more into themes of healing through music, something that was never a focal point in the Korean film. It also skips other major aspects of A Moment to Remember, such as the class divide and career struggles between the lead couple. And let's not forget, this isn't the first time Bollywood has tackled Alzheimer's on screen. Remember Kajol and Ajay Devgan's You Me Aur Hum, 2008? That film, too, explored the devastating effects of the disease, but told a completely different story centered on enduring love and marital commitment. Though director Mohit Suri has drawn from Korean cinema in the past, think Murder 2, inspired by The Chaser, or Ek Villain, which took cues from I Saw the Devil, Sayyara doesn't fall into that pattern. In fact, Mohit Suri has categorically stated that Sayyara is an original Indian love story, co-written with Sankalp Sadhana. So while the film may echo emotional beats familiar to fans of K-dramas, its soul is rooted in a fresh, homegrown narrative.